My name is William Brown Arthur, and I'll be taking you through computing. Now, let's look at a general overview of computing. The Ghana Education Service, GES, has changed the name from Information and Communication Technology to computing. So under this new name, computing, we have four major topics that we need to look at. The four major topics that we have are: 1. We have Introduction to Computing. 2. We have Productivity Software. 3. We have Communication Networks. And the last one is Computational Thinking. Under these major topics, we have some subtopics under them that we need to look at. Under Introduction to Computing, we'll be looking at components of a computer and a computer system. We will also look at technology in the community. The last one under the Introduction to Computing, we'll be talking about the health and safety in using ICT tools. Let's take a look at the second topic, Productivity Software. Under the Productivity Software, we will talk about Introduction to Word Processing. We will also talk about Introduction to Presentation. Then the last one will be Introduction to Electronic Spreadsheets. Now let's take a look at the third topic, which is Communication Networks. Under the Communication Networks, we will look at the computer networks. We will also talk about the internet and social media. From there, we'll move on to Information Security. And the last one, under the Communication Networks, we will talk about the web technologies. Now let's take a look at the last topic, which is the Computational Thinking. Under this one, we will talk about Introduction to Programming. From there, we talk about algorithms. Thirdly, we will talk about robotics. And the last of them will be artificial intelligence. So these are the major topics and subtopics that we need to look at the term of this course. In our first lesson, we'll be looking at Introduction to Computing. And under Introduction to Computing, we'll be talking about the components of a computer and a computer system. See you in the first lesson.